I wanted to record a short video on industry standard investment management fees. If you are searching online for them and you're not familiar with them, I am 90% sure that you're either an investor that doesn't know what's the norm and you want to make sure you negotiate and don't pay above average fees, or you're someone who is starting an investment firm, an independent sponsor firm, a real estate development firm, or raising capital for something and you're not sure what the industry standard is. But it's really the wrong question to ask. The most important thing to ask is, is my team industry standard credibility? Do we have an industry standard track record? Do we have an industry standard or above offering? If you don't have a very credible track record, a very credible team, a great referral system and credibility already, then don't try to charge industry standard fees. You might need to know what they are, but you shouldn't be charging them because you're not industry standard yet. You don't have an industry standard track record, team, skill set, confidence. You can't point to all the stories most likely within your current team. You probably can from a past track record at a big wirehouse bank or a $1 billion plus asset manager where you're on a team. But it's very different being on a team of 70 and raising $1 billion than doing it with your own team and being able to execute. So I just encourage you to forget industry standard and do something that's more aligned for investors and is going to help you have an advantage over others that just have an industry standard fee structure. And that's really not going to stand out as anything too unique or extra valuable to investors.